The research and development of new products can be an exciting endeavor, but each new idea has to be tried and tested time and time again to optimize the design and function of the product. This can be an expensive and time-consuming process. What if there was a way to speed up the experimental trial and error approach without compromising the integrity of the process? The answer lies with Tree Tower. Tree Tower provides virtual testing, digital twins, and customized software solutions. In this way, you can enhance the process of optimizing materials, design, performance, and production costs. Now you can simulate real industrial processes and optimize parameters needed to create an exceptional product. These non-destructive tests can lead to faster development and significantly lowered costs. Through numerical simulation, machine learning methods, and big data analytics, you can get more by doing less. Contact us today to learn how you can speed up your R&D processes with Tree Tower.